Year 2, I hope you're all doing really well. I just want to say what a fantastic job you did with your addition and subtraction word problems yesterday. In today's maths lesson, we're going to do something a little bit similar. We're still going to be finding our hidden number sentences, but this time we're going to be looking at multiplication and division. So just as a quick reminder, these were our 5 key steps to being amazing at solving our word problems. So we need to read the problem carefully, find and circle the important information, use that information to decide which operation we're going to do. So are we going to multiply or divide, and write out your number sentence and then use your method to solve. So let's have a practice together. Okay, so step 1, read the problem carefully. Angela Mary is planting flowers. She plants 6 rows of flowers. In each row there are 5 flowers. How many flowers does Angela Mary have altogether? Okay, what was step number 2 again? That's correct, it was find and circle the important information. So having a look at my word problem, what numbers and words are going to help us find out our number sentence? Okay, so I'm hoping you circled 6. Rows is also quite important because that will help us decide whether we're going to be multiplying or dividing. In each row, so each is another important word that I hope you circled, there are 5 flowers. Okay, so 5 is the next important number. How many flowers does Angela Mary have altogether? Okay, so remember from yesterday, altogether we learned was another key word. Okay, so using that information then, are we going to be multiplying or dividing? If we've got rows of flowers, that's almost saying we've got groups of flowers. And if we've got groups of something, are we multiplying or dividing? Fantastic, we're multiplying, aren't we? So we're going to be doing a multiplication number sentence. So step 4, write out our number sentence. We can do 5 times 6. So 5 times 6. Okay, and just like yesterday, I'd like to pause the video and have a go at answering this number sentence and then come back to me when you're ready. If you're not sure, then you can use the previous videos that you've seen with Miss Cavalier and Miss Draper to remind yourself of the multiplication number line method, okay? Okay, so well done. 5 times 6 is 30, so one for having a go, and if you've got that answer too. Right, on to the next question. Step 1. What's step 1? Read the problem carefully, well done. So James has 45 cupcakes. He shares the cupcakes equally with his 4 friends and himself. How many cupcakes does each person get? Okay, so what was step 2 again? Find and circle the important information, well done. So having a look, what numbers and words are really important and that we're going to circle to help us solve our hidden number sentence or find our hidden number sentence. Okay, so I'm hoping you circled 45. He shares, so shares is a key word because again that's going to help us decide whether we're multiplying or dividing. The cupcakes, we don't need to circle cupcakes because that's not important, that's not going to help us solve our number sentence. But equally is another key word which I hope you circled, with his 4 friends and himself. Okay, so we've got 4 here, but it also mentions and himself, which means that there's another person. Okay, so we're going to circle this one too. So if I've got 4, he has 4 friends and he's sharing the cupcakes with 4 friends and himself. That means I'm doing 4 add 1. Can you do that really quickly in your heads for me? What is 4 add 1? 4 add 1, 5. Amazing. So I'm just going to put 5 here as a reminder, okay? So step 3, using the information, are we going to be multiplying or dividing if we've got the words sharing equally? What are we doing? We're dividing, amazing. So we are going to be doing 45 divided by 5. So step 4, write out our number sentence. 45 divided by 5. Okay? And using your division method, I'd like to pause the video and have a go at solving this number sentence and then come back to me. Amazing, so well done if you had a go at that. So 45 divided by 5 is 9, so thumbs up if you got that, fantastic. Right, let's move on to the next question. Again, step 1, read the problem carefully. So Ida has 3 boxes of Barbie dolls. There are 5 Barbies in each box. How many Barbies does Ida have altogether? Okay, what's step number 2? Amazing, it's find and circle that important information and numbers, isn't it? So having a look, what numbers and words are you going to circle to help you solve this hidden number sentence? Okay, so I hope you circled 3. We've got boxes as well. So it's 3 boxes, but there are 5 Barbies in each box. Okay, so we're going to circle 5 as a key number, and again we've got each box. So I'm going to circle this as well to help me highlight. Okay, and then we've got how many Barbies does Ida have altogether? So again, altogether is that key word that will help us decide whether we're multiplying or dividing. Okay, so using that information then, if I have 3 boxes, or if Ida has 3 boxes of Barbie dolls, but there are 5 Barbies in each box, what are we going to be doing? Are we going to be multiplying or dividing? Shout it at the screen for me. Fantastic, we are going to be multiplying, okay? Because there's 3 boxes and you've got 5 Barbies in each box, so it means there's groups of Barbies, okay? That we're going to multiply and see what we get at the end. Right, so write out our number sentence. So we need to do 3 times 5. Okay, so again, pause the video and have a go at using your multiplication number line method to solve this number sentence. Okay, amazing. So 3 times 5, you should have got 15 for that, so well done. Right, one more then. Okay, so reading the problem carefully. All 60 children in year 2 want to go to the zoo. They need to share the school buses. Each bus can only fit 5 children. So how many school buses will they need? Okay, so step 2, remind me, what is step 2 again? That's right, find and circle that important information. So have a look and see which numbers and words are going to be really important to help us find our hidden number sentence. Okay, so I'm hoping you circled 60 because there are 60 children in year 2. We don't need to circle year 2, okay, because that's not really a number. That's going to help us solve our hidden number sentence. They need to share the school buses. So again, that word share is really important because that's going to help us decide whether we are multiplying or dividing. Okay, right, then we've got each bus. So each is another key word, okay, that we're going to circle. Each bus can only fit 5 children. So we're going to circle 5, okay. Right, so step 3 then is using that information. What are we going to be doing? We're going to be multiplying or dividing if we're sharing equally. Amazing, we're going to be dividing. So let's write our number sentence. So we've got 60 divided by 5 because I can't do 5 divided by 60, okay? So we're going to write 60 divided by 5, okay? And using your division method, I'd like to pause the video once again for me and have a go at solving that number sentence. Amazing, welcome back. So 60 divided by 5, you should have got 12 for that, so well done. Okay, Year 2, so we've got some activities that are similar to yesterday's addition and subtraction word problems, but this time the focus is on multiplication and division. So when you're doing those activities, I want you to be remembering your 5 key steps to being amazing at solving those word problems, particularly focusing on circling those words and numbers to help you find your hidden number sentence. Okay, good luck with those, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.